Hello everyone. When you measure high and low pressure at any air conditioning system, even in chilled water system or DX system, one of the most common mechanical fault at air conditioning system is to find high pressure side is too low. What is the reason of that? And what are the solutions at that reasons? It may be refrigerant is undercharged, so the solution, you need to add charge, or air conditioning unit is over capacity or have bad sizing in design, so you need to replace your device. Or it may be compressor valve is damaged, so you need to fix the compressor or replace it if it was sealed or hermetic compressor type. The last reason to make high pressure side is too low is low ambient temperature. If you have low ambient temperature, so you have not maintenance action to do. Now you know the 4 reasons that make high pressure side is too low and its solution. Thank you.